Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today, I will guide you through getting started with Advantech EdgeLink Studio. We'll learn how to create a new project, configure I/O tags to connect devices. By the end of this video, you'll be able to build a complete workflow for your industrial IoT applications. Let's start by opening EdgeLink Studio. First, go to the project configuration. You can open and create project. Here, I'll open a saved project from File Manager. Once the project is created, you can see the project configuration panel on the left side of the screen. In the project tree, you will notice different sections such as Data Center, Data Logic, Data Service, Cloud Publishing, and Communication Forward. The most important part for us now is the Data Center, where we will create I/O tags for devices. These are the different tags such as I/O tag, user tag, calculation tag, stats tag, and system tag. We can create, delete, and modify the tag according to need. In I/O tag, we can see different 3 ports: COM1, COM2, and TCP. From that, COM1 is enabled and COM2 and TCP is disabled due to empty ports. In COM1, we see different devices connected to it, like Atom 4051, 2, and 3. We can change the name, device type, and add description in the description window. We can see different I/O tags in the I/O tag option. We can add, delete, modify the tags by using the options from the screen. We can enable the COM2 port by using Enable option. We can edit general information setting like description, scan time, timeout, retry count, auto, recover time, and serial port setting like port, baud rate, data bit, stop bit, parity, RTS, DTR according to your need. Then click on Apply button. Hence, your changes are saved. Next, let's configure the communication channel. Under Communication Settings, I will enable TCP since my device is connected over Ethernet. Here, we can define the scan time, timeout, retry count, auto, recover time, scan mode. If you are using serial devices, you can enable COM1 or COM2 instead. Then click on Apply button to save changes. You can make different user tags by using Add option on screen for the purpose of data storage, data processing, logic/control, intermediate variables, alarms, and events like functions. Also, you can delete such tags by Delete option. For adding new tag, set tag name as you want. Select tag type as average or minimum or maximum. You also set update cycle and description from that window. You also select the previously added tags from Refer Tag option. For that, click on 3 dots and select tag from COM1 port or any other location from that you want. Then click on OK button. Your tag will be added in Stats tag section. You also delete any tag by using Delete option. You also add user tag from same process. For that, click on User tag, then click Add button. Set tag name as per your application. Then select data type as analog or discrete. You also set the initial value, span time high and low. Select tag as read or write or both read and write. You can set the electrical attribute from this list as per your demand. You also add description of the tag in the description window for information. Then click on OK button. Your tag will be added in the bottom end. You can delete and modify such tags from the tag list. Thank you for watching this video.